Ibig sabihin ay
sa mundo nasusundan sa puso ko. Mula sa rimay ay ako ang may
First, I was afraid. Yes, I was afraid talaga.
Don't hide behind me.
No, thank you, Tita Pempe, for the trust, and I'm so sorry after 10 years.
You will be sorry.
I'm so sorry after 10 years of texting and inviting me. Talagang, siguro ngayon lang talagang tamang time, Tita. Napupuno namin to. But as the years go by, you know, seniors na. But now, bago to eh. Baka maraming mag-join. Younger ones, no? Hindi nakasagot. Hindi nakasagot. Hindi, younger ones, they might want also to join. Hindi, may option tayo. Maaaring baka maliit na yung lugar.
Sorry. Rodrigo na nga eh. So, we are going to...
may microphone. Para hindi ka sumigaw.
Kaya ko to.
Binig naman.
Nakalulun ako ng megaphone. Anyway, because we have to thank Tita Pempe Rodrigo because for all the years, for being the mother foundress of Baliksamahan, for all the years she dedicated to our group. So keeping us together, helping the needy, except she never helped me in my hour of need.
Grabe, may hugot. May hugot.
So, but we really have to thank her. Well, because for you know, offering a great part of her life, and now she realized that you know, it's time. It's about time. It's about time she found time for a new love, and she's still gonna look for him. So, anak si Boots Hanson Rowan at si King Rodrigo lang. Diba? So, okay. So, she's turning over the reins of the Baliksamahan to a new management to be headed by our new bastonera, si Lani Mercado, who is in Japan, unfortunately. Bastonera. But she has an associate in the person of Nadia Montenegro. That's why she has to, now she will tell you, we will be passing leaflets later so that you know the new rules and regulations.
The question is,
okay.
Will you read it?
And then there will be an admission test. You will all be evaluated. And then, so you have to know. Okay, you have to know the real, like, okay, who is Epifania Boyle?
Marisa Delgado.
Oh, very good. You will back. Who is Elizabeth Vincent Luciano?
Me.
Oh, see? Okay, those are the kinds of questions that we will be asking you. If not, you will not be admitted. And then, there will be a talent portion. Talent competition and swimsuit competition.
Pasok kami.
Si Pepito Rodriguez dapat ang speedo. For the Bautista, band-aid na lang. So anyway, here she is. We've laid out the foundation for the new group. Although, again, Tita Pepe, we are so grateful for, you know, for all the effort you put together, even if we always call it back.